What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. In this video, we're going to discuss email marketing. I want to share what I've learned from building an email list to 70,000 plus. There's been a lot of loopholes, a lot of mistakes that I've made along the way while building a huge email list. And if you're building an email list and you're trying to build an asset for your business, this video is going to be for you. Take note on some of the mistakes I've made and the lessons that I learned. So I'm really excited to share this video with you. So let's dive right in.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day.
So the number one mistake that I made in the beginning while building this email list, the email list is 70,000 subscribers. So I'll log in on the screen so you can see it here right now, the 70,000 subscribers. So one of the mistakes that I actually made was actually not giving enough value. So as anybody, what do you do when you start to build an email list? If you don't know what to say to that email list, it's going to be hard in the beginning. So for example, if you're promoting a car loan offer and you don't know how to write copy to that audience, so start thinking about what type of copy fits that audience. So what I actually did, I did a couple different things. I wrote an email follow-up series myself of what I thought the audience would like to hear. I studied blogs, I went to go see what everyone else was doing in their email follow-ups. Well, it did decent. It didn't do great, but it did decent. So one of the mistakes I made now is that I actually just straight up outsourced. When I outsourced the email marketing, I thought, bam, you know what? Maybe they can make me some money on the way they write copy. And honestly, a lot of the people that you end up going to have them write emails for you and outsource, a lot of the people, they just have templates, templates built for that email list already. So for example, if you were promoting the car loan offer, if you were promoting a Bitcoin offer, and you went to Fiverr or you went to a website to outsource that, a lot of these people, they get people every day asking for templates and buying their services. So I'm sure they have templates built already so they don't have to go in and start drafting up your email marketing from scratch. So that was a really big mistake I made, just going straight to Fiverr too quick and then trying to outsource it there. So what I would say to fix that is actually write your own emails and then pick up some email marketing courses. So you're probably wondering like, well, why should I collect emails? Am I gonna make any money for it? So what I've learned is that as you're building an email list in the beginning, it's not gonna be worth that much because these people don't know you, they don't trust you, and you're just some guy on the internet or a woman on the internet sending them information. So what you wanna do is you could have an email list of 10,000, and then with an email list of 10,000 or even 5,000, you could make more money than I do with a 70,000 follower subscriber list just because you monetize it better. So it does not matter how many people you have on that list. It matters how you follow up with them and how you monetize it. Now here's another big tip. What you wanna do is choose how often you're actually gonna email that subscriber on your list. Are you gonna be emailing them every day? So once you start asking yourself these questions, well, if they're gonna be on a Monday morning newsletter, send them emails every Monday morning at 8 a.m. so they know that you can start training them to actually open your emails and take action with whatever you put in your emails. So this is the difference from going from $0 to $100 a day, sending an email every Monday, or $1,000 you make every Monday. Having your list understand when you send them, and you're building them up to take action with whatever you send them. Another big tip that you actually want to do with your email list is as you're building your emails, what I like to do now is I like to write stories within my emails. So for example, if you tell someone a story about today and then you tie that in on how that works with your affiliate product, at the end of your email, don't end the story. Say at the end of the email that you'll tell them the rest of the story tomorrow, or you'll stay tuned for your email tomorrow, especially if you're gonna be emailing that subscriber every day. So then they're gonna be looking forward to reading your emails every day. So being consistent with your list is important. Now, one big tip that you wanna do with your email list is scrub your list. And what that basically means is that you get rid of all the people who aren't opening your emails, who aren't receiving your emails. People have put in fake emails. You want to scrub your list and delete all those unsubscribers and get rid of them. If not, depending on what email service provider you're actually using, if you have unsubscribers, they actually still charge you for that unless you remove them off of your list. 9 times out of 10, depending on who you're using, you can contact your email provider and say, hey, can you remove all the unsubscribers? Now that's a good way. And also start going through all your email lists. For example, if you have a Bitcoin list, a car loan list, and another affiliate offer list, see how many people are opening them, but then see how many people aren't opening your emails. And those people who aren't engaging with your email, there's so many different things that you can do. You can segment that audience and start sending those people specific emails, or you could just remove them from your list, period, and not even deal with them. So these are some of the lessons that I've learned on building an email list to 70,000 plus. Now keep in mind, I built this email list from scratch, and it was a lot of work. I mean, it was a lot of trial and error on testing, because different niches, different verticals, you don't know how they're gonna truly react until you send out that email, how the engagement is gonna work, and how they're gonna react when you set a broadcast message. So if you're trying to crush affiliate marketing with email marketing, make sure you're starting to build that trust and rapport with your email list. So if you guys have any questions, as always, make sure to drop a comment below and let me know some of the mistakes that you've made in your email marketing and lessons that you have learned. Yeah, share with me your journey, and yeah, I go through all the comments all the time and I read everybody's messages. So lastly, check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates. In my private Facebook group, I post private videos in there, so make sure to check those out if you join. And as always, have a great day.